How to install Zara app. So here is app from Zara. Obviously, it's one of the most popular clothing chains out there. And then so you can just go and install it. Discover the Zara collection with proposals for women, men, and kids through our application and our online store. You can shop and see all our new collection and fashion editorials for the upcoming seasons. Among Zara's proposal for women are the following categories. You can see here, this is just like an app you can open up and then you can just order online. You can select your store, so you just need to select your region and obviously your pricing and all of that, accept cookies. You can allow notifications or not allow them. Whatever, and then so then you can see some home events, and then you can see sale. Then you can see some items for men, for example. So then you can see some sales and all of that. Then you can see just your account. If you want, you can create your account, and then then you can see your shopping cart. So that's basically the idea how you can get started. And explore the app and then just buy online and visit delivery. So hope that's helpful.